Collaborating with startups brings fundamental benefits that we can't access otherwise as a corporate. Startups are vessels for technology at the end of the day. We also get access to new markets and talent, people outside of our organization tackling new things in different ways.
I think it's really important to recognize that startups really are changing and shaping the way that we all live and work. They're almost that window into what the future looks like. And so it's incredibly exciting to be able to work with these founders and these teams at these startups, because you get an insight into what that future could be. And then you also get to work alongside the startups to help shape that as well.
Within our team, we have internal as well as external collaboration. So one of the most difficult areas of collaborating is when you're dealing with people that have different types of skill set, and how you communicate your idea so that everyone is working cohesively is rather important.
We're hiring very quickly across all different teams, and also the product is evolving really quickly. We're adding new features, we're adding new clients, we're adding new partners. So without collaboration, it just wouldn't work.
It's all about a group of people running a division. So if those people can't collaborate and you don't really invest in the culture, you absolutely hamper yourself in an enormous series of directions. You can't sort of retain the great talent you've got. You can't attract the new talent. You can't execute on great client opportunities that are presented your way. So you've got to really enable fantastic collaboration.
Our aim is to collaborate with startups along their entire growth journey. So whether it's very early stage, 2 people in the team with just an idea, all the way through to a company that might be scaling to multiple geographies or even considering an exit opportunity.
Deloitte could be a user of the product, or we could be looking to take them to market, scale them across our client base. We might invest in the startup to really add depth to our strategic relationship.
We think very carefully of the partners and investors that we might have, because we figure that that's often like a decade-long journey. So the culture that they bring to that and to be involved as an investor, we think long and hard about, and we felt that they ticked a ton of boxes there.
I think a key differentiator for what we do is we have a service-oriented mindset, and I think that's quite valuable. I think, as an organization, we serve clients and we get them the right answer, and that really filters down into how we treat our startup relationships.
We come from a team of developers and researchers, so being able to develop the product and the company with the commercial mindset is absolutely crucial for growth, and that's where Deloitte really aided our development process.
Deloitte Ventures really took the time to understand our business and what we do and the value we could bring. There's been very transparent feedback and collaboration throughout the process. There is that upfront time investment, and I think that's the first sign. Are both parties willing to put that investment in to really understand each other?
It is fantastic to collaborate in the US, European and wider markets together. So it definitely isn't just about a simple investment and then a few meetings. It is a collaboration on go-to-market, which has been fantastic.
We get a really good opportunity to learn from the people who are working at these startups, the way, a lot of the time they are thinking differently. A lot of the founders are incredibly bold, they have big ideas, but they also know how to execute on that and actually turn it into a reality as well. Being able to have the opportunity to work with people that believe they can change the future and then are actually doing things to make it happen, that really is an incredible thing to be able to do at work.